What's up, guys? Got another video for you. This right here is some heavy metal framing. Yeah, you like that? Safety harness. Don't want to be up there without that. Did you guys get to check out that precision weld? That was a precision weld right there. I'm about to go finish stuffing all these bolts. Look at that precision weld. Gotta love that stuff. I know for time's sake, they only want me to put one bolt in there when I'm catching them. No. I sneak another one in there. Makes me feel better. All right, guys, thanks for watching.